This is a Tantric connection meditation for couples. Today I'm guiding you through a powerful Tantric connection meditation designed to be done with your partner. This practice will help you and your loved one deepen your bond, open your hearts to each other, and create a space of profound intimacy and love. This isn't about sexual energy alone. This is about connecting at the soul level, sharing presence, and experiencing the divine within one another. So find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit facing each other, and let's begin this beautiful journey together. Before we start, let's take a moment to set an intention for this meditation. Close your eyes and place your hands over your heart. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of any tension or distractions. Now silently or aloud, set an intention for this practice. It might be to deepen your connection, to open your heart, or to simply be fully present with your partner. Whatever your intention is, hold it in your heart with love and let it guide you through this meditation. Take a moment to share your intention with your partner. Speak it from the heart, allowing your partner to feel the sincerity and love in your words. When you are both ready, gently open your eyes and let's begin. To start, sit comfortably facing your partner. You can sit cross-legged or in any position that feels comfortable for both of you. Gently place your hands on your partner's knees or thighs, creating a physical connection. Now look into each other's eyes. This practice is called eye gazing, and it's a powerful way to connect deeply with your partner. As you gaze into each other's eyes, try to soften your focus. You're not just looking at your partner, you're looking into their soul. Allow yourself to be fully seen and to fully see your partner without judgment or expectation. As you gaze, notice any emotions or sensations that arise. You might feel vulnerable, exposed, or deeply connected. Whatever comes up, simply observe it without judgment and allow the connection to deepen. Breathe together, matching the rhythm of your breath, and let your souls speak to each other through your eyes. Spend a few minutes in this eye-gazing practice. If you feel tears welling up or emotions surfacing, allow them to flow. This is a sacred space where you can be your true self with your partner. Next, we will move into a heart connection breath. Still facing each other, place your right hand on your partner's heart and your left hand on your own heart. Feel the warmth of your partner's hand on your chest and let this physical touch create a deeper sense, a deeper connection between your hearts. Now begin to synchronize your breath. Inhale deeply together, feeling your hearts expand with love. And exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress. As you breathe, imagine a golden light flowing from your heart into your partner's heart and back again. This light represents the love and connection you share, an unbreakable bond that flows between you. With each breath, feel this light grow stronger, filling both of you with warmth, love, and a deep sense of unity. Know that in this moment, you are one, connected not just by your love, but by the divine energy that flows through both of you. Continue this heart connection breath for several minutes, letting the love and light between you grow with each inhale and exhale. This practice helps to align your energies, creating a powerful sense of unity and intimacy. Now let's take this connection even deeper by sharing words of gratitude and love with each other. Look into your partner's eyes once more and take turns expressing what you love and appreciate about each other. Speak from your heart and allow yourself to be fully vulnerable and open. This is a time to honor each other, to express the love you feel, and to acknowledge the divine presence within your partner. As you share these words, feel the bond between you grow stronger, rooted in love, respect, and deep connection. After you've both shared, take a moment to simply hold each other. Embrace in a way that feels natural and loving, allowing the energy you've cultivated to flow between you. This final embrace seals the connection, grounding it in your physical and energetic bodies.